Have you ever stopped to ponder the true impact of the microplastics that permeate our world? The answer might surprise you. Welcome to the unseen side of our modern world, where the tiny particles we often overlook are making their mark in ways we're only beginning to understand. Microplastics, those tiny fragments of plastic smaller than 5 millimeters, are a hot topic in scientific circles. They're turning up in places we'd never expect. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks and even within our own bodies. But the question remains, what does this mean for us and our environment? Recent reports from sources like The Economist bring to light the emerging concern of microplastics found in human bodies and the environment. They underscore the urgency for further research on their health effects. Alarmingly, these minuscule materials are not just an environmental issue, they have the potential to directly affect human health. But how exactly do these particles enter our bodies? The European Environment Agency reveals that microplastics can infiltrate our systems through both ingestion and inhalation. Yes, you heard it right. We could be eating, drinking, and even breathing in these microscopic particles without even realizing it. Now, before you start panicking, it's important to note that regulatory bodies are stepping up their game. The European Commission has already taken actions to restrict the sale of certain microplastic products. And the aim? A commendable reduction in microplastic emissions by 30% by year 2030. But the road ahead is not without its challenges. Establishing safe levels of microplastics, standardizing monitoring methods, and developing harmonized measurement standards are just a few of the hurdles that lie in our path. So what have we learned today? Microplastics are more than just an environmental nuisance. They're a global concern that's infiltrating our everyday lives. And while science is racing to catch up with this microscopic menace, it's clear that we all have a role to play in limiting their spread. So, the next time you take a sip of water or take a deep breath, remember the unseen world of microplastics. Their impact might be small in size, but it's certainly not small in scope. Stay tuned, stay informed, and be part of the solution.